Hi, this is Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm on location at a job we're doing today with where we're restoring cedar siding. You see that happening over my left shoulder. This cedar siding is older siding. There's been some repairs done on it by the homeowner as a contractor, and then we're going to do some other general repairs. There's two coats on this of different stain. We have Cabot and then we have Sickens on here, so it's a little bit of a challenge. Coming off like butter with our Deck Restoration Plus stripper. Our stripper has more in it than your typical strippers, or those strippers have been around for so many years that are really only made for oil base. So we're able to get multiple coats and those tough products like Sickens off. This cedar is clear cedar, tongue and groove clear. It's beautiful wood. We don't want to damage the wood. We want the stripper to do the work, a light rinse. We're running about 3 to 500 PSI probably when it gets to the wood surface. We have a 4 gallon per minute machine we're using on this, so we got 4 gallons a minute coming out. We're reducing the pressure and still on the 40 degree fan tip. So we're covering board by board pretty well and doing a really good job. So we're actually doing some training here. Tim's over there. He's our lead on this job. Nathan's the helper, and he's been learning how to do this as well. So I'm going to flip this around and get a good view and come back to you, okay? I'll keep talking as we go. And we are a little closer up. And this is the first strip. And then what happens is we got a second strip we've been doing on some of this. I'll show you where we've come over here. And actually you can see how far away he is from the wood. Nice even strokes. And then this has been done once, completed over here, and then this is completely done. And we're gonna have a little bit of work to do on this, but for the most part we've got we're back to the wood, and it looks really nice. So again, it's coming up really nice. Here, this one's already done and started to dry over here. See some inconsistency a little bit, and you can see that over next to the window a little bit in the door. So we may have to hit it up again, and we'll see what happens after we brighten it too. But this is the project we're working on today. We're still finishing up the log cabin we did from the last video. Right now we are also building 2 decks. So we're restoring 2 homes at this point. Or one's a restaurant, the log cabin, this cedar home, and then we're building 2 decks, starting a third, today. We're doing demo day. Everybody loves demo day if you've been watching HGTV. And then we have about 10 decks that we're working on currently on restoration and repairs, whether we're just going out and doing our cleaning, our maintenance, or we're actually stripping and brightening, doing some repairs, and then staining. So got a whole bunch of projects going on, from large to small, and a lot of things going on. But right now we've got 7 crews that we can work with. We've got 6 people working in the offices. So we're cranking it out. It's time to get to it. And that's what we're doing at Deck Restoration Plus. So if you're watching this video and you want some help restoring a wood home, whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, or if you're interested in Deck Restoration Plus doing some work for you, we're in the southern New Jersey area, just give us a call at our office number, 609-268-3436, 609-268-3436. Or check us out at deckrestorationplus.com or thewizardofwood.net. Not the wizardofwood.net, no the. So wizardofwood.net or deckrestorationplus.com. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.